Hello bachchon, let's read the question. The question says, give one example of stabilizing selection. Give one example of stabilizing selection. So इस question में they are asking for an example of stabilizing selection. So the key concept for this question is more individuals acquire mean value. So इसमें स्टेबलाइजिंग सिलेक्शन में जितने भी इंडिविजुअल्स होते हैं दे एक्वायर मीन वैल्यू. सो पहले हम जरा जान लेते हैं व्हाट इज स्टेबलाइजिंग सिलेक्शन. सो स्टेबलाइजिंग सिलेक्शन is a type of natural selection इसको बैलेंसिंग सिलेक्शन भी कहते हैं. इसको बैलेंसिंग सिलेक्शन इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि ये उसे अपनी एक पॉपुलेशन को बैलेंस आउट करती है. सो ऑल्सो called as balancing selection. So in stabilizing selection, more individuals acquire mean character value. So इसके अंदर जितने भी पॉपुलेशन में आते हैं individuals, they tend to acquire mean character value. Now, such selection tends to favor the intermediates instead of phenotypic extremes. So यहाँ एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हुए यहाँ लेते हैं A and C and बीच में it is B, that is intermediate. Now in this type of selection, for example, babies that have intermediate weight are more favored and survive and have better chances of survival as compared to underweight and overweight newborns. So in this, the peak gets narrower and higher. the peak gets narrower and higher. And here A is for underweight, B is intermediate, and C is overweight. So I hope you understood. All the very best.